Hello folks. A very warm welcome to another tutorial. In this video we are going to discuss about how a programming language works. Whenever we write a code in any high-level programming language, because the computer understands only the machine code, the code is not understandable by the computer. And hence we need something which can convert the code into machine language for further processing. When we use a program or a machine to do so, then comes the concept of the compiler and the interpreter. Both the compiler and interpreter are used to convert the high-level code into the machine code to make it work, but there is still some difference between the compiler and the interpreter. In the next video we will discuss that difference. So don't be late, and also do not forget to subscribe the channel to never miss an update.